Are you living outside of the United States and wondering how you can get a US bank account? Well, you have selected the right video. So stick around until the end and I will show you how step by step. You can also get many other international accounts like even a Canadian or a Great Britain account for free. A great thing about this account is that there is no monthly fee associated with maintaining your account. Once you open your account, you can send and receive money around the world at an extremely low rate. Oh, I almost forget, you can even link this account to PayPal and withdraw money to your local bank account. You can use the link in the description to open your free account. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Step 1, you're going to open your account. Log on to wise.com and click register, and you have the option to log in with Facebook, Google or Apple. The choice is really up to you. I went ahead and create an account with just my email address and password, and for the verification process you're going to need to upload an ID, and you're also going to need a phone number for validation. This is called two-factor authentication. Step 2, what you're going to do is fund your account so you can get a virtual bank account. This will get you a routing number and a bank account. So let's go right into this process. So once you're logged in, you're going to click on account, click on account details, and here you have the option to get different account details. So I'm going to be using a US account, and to do this I'm going to need a minimum of $20. So I'm going to proceed, and I'm going to be using a debit card. Click continue. Because I already added a card information, this is why I have two options here. I have a save card as well as new card. So in your case you'll be only seeing the option for new cards. You fill out the form and proceed to pay. So I'm gonna just go back to pay card, save card, and specify my security code. Take note of the charges, relatively small, and if you're doing an ACH, that would be less. However, depending on your bank that you use, you might have to call them for them to allow the transaction for the debit card. Once you reach this section, you're going to open your camera to scan the QR code. Make sure you check the settings of your camera to ensure that the scan QR code option is turned on. Once you do that, you'll get a prompt to navigate to the Wise website. You're going to re-log into your Wise account, and then you're going to hit verify your account. Here you're going to upload your driver's license, the front and the back if that's what you use for your ID, as well as a selfie, and hit continue. So I just completed the process on my mobile phone. Now you see it saying that we are all done for now. So it got it, and the verification process might take a few hours, so we'll resume this video once that is completed. So within literally less than 5 minutes, I've received the confirmation email that my documents were verified. So let's navigate back to Wise because I didn't even sign out. Now let me refresh and see what happens. Here we go. All set. So if you click this little icon here, you would see your account details. And just like that, you're all set up.